Welcome back to the Doing It Is channel. Today we are going to learn about redirects in Nuxt.js. In the previous lesson, you learned how to create this Ricky and Morty character navigator. But there was a small problem. If we don't pass in a parameter and search for the URL, we would get an error, which is because in the underscore ID component, we are looking for a param ID and then fetching that character related to that param ID. But if you don't pass one, we get an error saying that we cannot find the image property from character. So the character is undefined and we cannot find it. We can simply fix this by redirecting. When we come to localhost 3000, let's just simply redirect to the first character. Alright, we can use the fetch lifecycle hook in the Nuxt.js. So in this fetch method is called on every request to the server. And it is also called every time we move to a new route in the front client side as well. So this is called before the components gets instantiated or before that. We normally use this to actually store items in our Vuex store. But we can also use this to do our redirect as well. This fetch method lifecycle hook gets the context from Nuxt.js. And this context has the redirect function which we can use. So let's use that. Okay, I'm going to go to the main component, go to the fetch lifecycle hook and get the redirect from the context and then do a redirect. We'll do redirect to the first character. Cool. Let's refresh. Localhost 3000. Oh, we have to put the /1. There we are. So everything works fine. But still, imagine if someone does this. It will still go to 1. But that's not what we need. So let's, inside this fetch hook, let's check if we have route parameters. If we have route parameters, then we don't do anything. If you don't have it, let's do a navigation. So we can get the route from the context and we can check if route params.id, if it's null or undefined, we can do a redirect. Okay, cool. So let's check it out. So if we don't have a parameter, then it goes to 1. But if we do have one, then it goes to the relative character. Alright, that was a simple lesson about redirects in Nuxt.js. I hope to see you on the next one. Do like, subscribe, and have a good day. Take care. Bye.